The hills of Valdobbiadene rise from small and intensely green-colored valleys. It is a wild landscape of vineyards that cling to the slopes, of ancient rural hardscrabble architecture, and of tranquility. Harmony and serenity of the landscape is found in a good glass of Valdobbiadene, an expression of terroir, the people of the area, the history, and the traditions that offer continuity with the past. The land speaks of effervescence, of fine bubbles moving in a glass like the rows that flow across a hill. The land speaks of the gentle aromas that nature gives, flowers, apples, pears, freshly mowed grass. The land speaks of freshness, of cleanliness, of natural harmony and balance, the smile that a good glass of Valdobbiadene evokes. There was a time when the only Prosecco came from Valdobbiadene. This is the home of Prosecco and the roots of Prosecco. Success brought imitation, and imitation brought to discovery. Prosecco grew, first at Treviso and then to the rest of northeastern Italy. There are a few of us who still hold on to the traditional values of Valdobbiadene. So many have abandoned the slower pace and greater toils of the hillsides, and so many have abandoned the better flavors and aromas that this land gives. It is here in Valdobbiadene that Prosecco reaches its most pleasurable limits.